primary survey of 25 people, including parents and teachers, we found out that 56% struggle with spillage, 32% are worried about plastic contamination, and 88% are concerned about microplastic entering the environment. Many people told us that tiny corners of the packet often get lost during disposal, which adds to plastic waste.
Our solution is the Smart Packet Opener, a compact and user-friendly device designed to open milk packets without cutting off any plastic pieces. Instead of slicing, our device punctures the packets, allows milk to flow through a projecting nozzle, ensuring clean, spill-free and hygienic dispensing.
We created our first prototype using PLA filament and 3D printing technology because PLA is biodegradable, easy to print, and perfect for testing different designs. Once a prototype is approved, the product can be manufactured using stronger, food-safe materials like stainless steel, aluminium, or high-quality plastics for long-term everyday use.
Our device aligns with principles of lifestyle for environment. By reducing waste, promoting cleaner milk handling, and preventing microplastic pollution. It also supports proper recycling habits by ensuring no tiny plastic pieces are thrown away or lost.
In conclusion, the Smart Packet Opener provides a practical and environmentally responsible solution to a problem we all face